I'm Anthony Trickshot Taylor, okay, if you wish to learn this move, okay, and also, okay, please do stay tuned. I'm a new YouTuber, so please do subscribe, please leave us a comment, please drop us a like and hit that notification bell. I'll be sure to get back to you, okay, and well, we're going to get right into it, okay, right, so it goes like this. What you're going to do, you're going to have your palm facing opposite you and you're going to have your thumb facing the ground, okay, much like you're doing an upside down, alright, boom, okay, so you're going like this and you're hitting this, basically making a bounce, okay, you're going to make it bounce to moving your hand to like this, to moving it down, okay, so you're going to bounce here and bounce underneath and grab it, okay, like that. From here you're going to stick these two fingers out and you're going to throw the nunchuck over with this hand, like so. From here, okay, you can hit the nunchuck, make sure you've got these two fingers out and catch it with these two fingers, like so. Okay, from there you're going to fling this underneath, okay, it's going to go around the back like so, okay, but once you do it, you're going to turn your hand and you will catch it, okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that part is pretty awkward, okay, but you can get it. Okay, so just bear with that, okay, you can add that many places, okay, you can raise it and bring it down, bring definition, okay, it's your styles. Okay, so that's the first one. Next one we're going to do is a version of the back-to-back wrist roll, which is known as an illusion roll, okay? We're going to point it from there to there to there, okay? Just like I just did. So what you're going to need to learn first is the illusion roll. So what you're going to do, you're going to be doing a back-to-back wrist roll, okay? So you need to learn this. You need to know this. Basically, I've done this move before in my tutorials, okay? And go back and watch it, okay, so it's in my basic, it's either in week 1, 2 or 3 of the basic ones, so you have to go back, okay, if you don't know it, because otherwise you won't be able to do this, okay. So what that involves is you're going to basically use a wrist roll, but you're going to bring your hand up, so you start the wrist roll here and you're going to bring it up. From there you're going to point it down and you're ready to do the illusion roll. The only difference, okay, between that one and popping off in 3 directions, okay, if you start here, okay, it's sometimes pretty difficult to start over there, so I do like to start over here, okay. So we're going to do the illusion roll and we're going to pop it diagonally, so when we do it, move our hand up, okay. From there we're going to point it directly down, okay. We're going to do another back-to-back wrist roll and raise it and point it down. And then we're going to go over here, raise it, and then we're going to point it back down. So you can continue this. Okay, you can do that multiple ways. You can bring it that way or you can bring it that way as well. Okay, I'm not editing that out, I can't be asked. As you can see, it's a very, very pretty move. Okay, so I hope this helps you out. Welcome to Tuesday Tricks. This is my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do drop us a like. If you struggle with any of this, please do leave us a comment. And I can do you live tutorials on Facebook. I've got a Facebook profile as well, which we can do some video calls, you know, all free, you know, so get involved, okay? So, yeah, I'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.